So this is what a pile of headphones looks like. A complex pile of headphones, actually. What's up, guys? My name is Ozzy, and I'm on a journey to find a new pair of headphones for video editing. And if you ever go to the store to go ahead and buy something for yourselves, it can be a little bit intimidating. There's so much stuff out there, and how do you even know what to grab? I'm gonna go to the store really quick and explore the market, and hopefully this helps one of you guys out. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so here's the problem. As you saw in the video, there's so much stuff in the store to choose from, and how do you even know what to buy? Well, that's what brings me to this pile of headphones right here. This is what I wanted to explore when purchasing new headphones. I realized that what you have to do at the very beginning is decide what it is that you're going to be using these headphones for. So in my case, I needed headphones for video editing. I'm a very avid AirPod user. I actually forgot to take these off, but I use AirPods for everything, and these are just not gonna cut it for me. I needed something that was going to be dedicated to just video editing so that I can edit these videos on. I needed them to be comfortable for long editing sessions. I needed them to have high definition audio so that I can hear all those crisp sounds, the highs and lows that I can go ahead and play with audio on. And I was also looking for something with modern features that I can use on my computer and on my phone. So here I have the Beats Solo 3s, and this is a brand that you'll see everywhere. This is a very popular brand. You'll see them on display almost at every retailer that you'll go, and you'll most likely gravitate towards these because they just have that marketing power to reel you in. And I recently purchased these, which I actually enjoy. Now this is a different type of headphone. Now as you can see here, you have a smaller ear cushion. There's no cushion on the top. And these are what are called on-the-ear headphones, which means that they sit on top of your ear and they kind of compress the ear down versus encompassing your ear and covering it. The clamping force that these headphones have is a little bit too much for me, and it can kind of irritate the ear, and you won't be able to have these on for a long time. Now, sometimes that's good for other people because these could be great for working out or other things. But again, I'm looking for a video editing headphone. So in terms of audio, this is a hot take. I've seen a lot of videos of people just trashing the Beats and not really liking the audio quality. Now, I do like the audio on this. I think it sounds nice. The bass, the highs and lows, they're okay for me. I enjoy it. Now with the Beats, Apple does have their hand on this. So they do have the W1 chip, which means that they are easily compatible with Apple computers and Apple phones. So if you have Apple, you can easily and smoothly go from one device to another. And that's a really great feature to have. Now these also have built-in microphones that allow you to take calls. These also have voice control, which you can contact Siri and Google and use them that way. So these are just jam-packed with features, and that's one of the things that I really do like about the Beats headphones. They are making them better, in my opinion. Again, there's lots of people that really don't like these, so you're just gonna have to try them out for yourself. In my case, I have these and I use them, but I do not use them for video editing because they hurt my head. They clamp too much, they're not comfortable, and that's gonna be a problem. So the headphones that I've been using these past couple days have been the Sony XM3s. Now I can't say enough about these headphones. These are A1 sauce. They're just so good. A+ with everything that I'm looking for. I needed a pair of headphones to be comfortable, and these hit the mark on the spot. They have nice cushioning on the top, and the leather on the cushion is just so soft. And then also I learned that I really like over-the-ear headphones, and like I said before, these cover and encompass your ear, so it makes it really comfortable. These also have swivel on the design, so they have swivel in both the ear cups and the band, so it fits really nice when you put them on your head. Another feature that I didn't know that I was gonna like was plastic. Now, in my generic set of headphones, the plastic was really squeaky, and even though these are made out of plastic as well, the plastic seems to be a little bit better. It's not squeaky at all, and it makes it so that it's light and it fits on your head nicely, which in return allows you to wear these for a long time, which is exactly what I need. Now, in terms of sound, the audio quality that you get with the Sony XM3s or the XM4s is just really crispy, really nice, really high definition. There's bass, there's mids, there's high. I just really can't say much more about this than they're just really, really great. Finally, when it comes to features, these are wireless. They have noise canceling and the ambient sounds. They have microphones on them so you can use them to take calls on your phone. They have a Sony app where you can go ahead and adjust audio, and I just can't really say enough about these headphones. They are really, really nice, and I've been using them for the past month. I use them to edit this video. So these hit all the marks. They're comfortable for long sessions. The audio is high definition, crispy, and really nice. You can hear everything. And then the features in terms of using it on your computer and using it on your phone, this is exactly what I was looking for, and you get it all out of these. Now, these I saw at all the retail stores that I went to, so these are pretty easy to find. So what I learned about this whole experience is that there's not one pair of headphones that does it all. It really matters what you're gonna be using them for. So before you go out and buy something, think about what it is that you want, how you're gonna use them, and if it's gonna be worth buying something just for that thing. For me, I'm gonna be using these for editing, so I think it's worth it for me to go out and find this pair. If you see my past videos, I do use the Bose 700s, which are amazing, and I bought those blindly because I really didn't know what I was buying. I just heard that they were great, so I went ahead and bought those. So I excluded those from this video, but those are also really, really great headphones. I also wanna mention the Bose Quiet Comfort, which are also really amazing headphones. My wife actually has those, and she really loves them. Now, and I also wanna mention Sennheiser. Now, I'm not an audiophile, but Sennheiser is a really nice brand, and they make some really great headphones. The Momentum 3 in particular is another set that I own, and those are really great. With that being said, if you wanna learn a little bit more about the Bose, I made a video which you can click on here. Anyways, I'll put these back on my ear, and see you guys on the next video. Peace.